Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of StartEconomy, where we tell short and fascinating stories about the world of economics. Today, I'll tell you how a simple cup of tea changed the course of history. In 1773, America was still a British colony and had to pay taxes decided in London, including tariffs on tea, which made it more expensive. Tariffs are special taxes. You pay them when a product comes from another country. They help protect local goods and support local shops. So, tariffs aren't always a bad thing. But if they're used the wrong way, they can cause big problems. And the story we're about to hear is a perfect example. The British had imposed a tea tariff without asking the opinion of the American colonists. And the Americans got really angry. Why should we pay taxes decided by people thousands of miles away? One night, dressed as Native Americans, a group of colonists boarded ships full of tea and threw it all into the sea. This bold act went down in history as the Boston Tea Party, one of the first steps toward the independence of the United States. Who would have thought that a simple cup of tea could change the fate of an entire country? Don't forget to follow StartEconomy for more fascinating tales about money, markets, and history. See you in the next episode.